If you've ever dreamed of gliding across a calm lake at sunrise or exploring hidden coves along the coast, the right inflatable paddleboard can make those moments effortless. In this video, we've rounded up 7 of the best inflatable paddleboards designed to help you feel confident on the water, enjoy family time, and explore the outdoors with total freedom. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Skatinger. The Skatinger board is all about stability and space, making it an excellent choice if you're new to paddleboarding or want room for kids or a furry friend. Its 35-inch wide platform is noticeably larger than typical boards, giving you extra balance and confidence from the start. Whether you love yoga, relaxed cruising, or simply want a steady ride, this width makes a big difference in how secure you feel. With an impressive weight capacity of 450 pounds, this board comfortably supports multiple riders. Families, couples, or friends can enjoy the water together without sacrificing speed or maneuverability. This capacity also makes it ideal for long outings where you may carry gear, coolers, or fishing equipment. Transporting it is easy thanks to the 3 sturdy handles and a heavy-duty 1680 denier backpack designed to withstand frequent use. Whether you're carrying it alone or with help, moving the board feels manageable and straightforward. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Niphean Clovis Point. The Niphean Clovis Point stands out for its high attention to detail and generous accessory package, making it one of the most beginner-friendly choices on this list. The board measures 10 feet 6 inches by 33 inches, offering a great balance of stability and maneuverability for riders of all skill levels. Everything you need to start paddling is included. You get an adjustable paddle, 3 detachable fins, a pump, backpack, waterproof phone bag, safety leash, and even a repair kit. This makes the Clovis Point perfect for first-time buyers who want a complete setup without needing to purchase extra items. Transporting and handling the board is simple thanks to double handles and quick-detach tail fins. Once deflated, it rolls up neatly into the included backpack, making it perfect for road trips, vacation travel, or spontaneous weekend adventures. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Atoll. The Atoll inflatable paddleboard is known for its strength, stability, and professional-grade construction. With reinforced drop-stitch technology, it offers a firm and reliable platform, whether you're a new paddler or someone with plenty of experience. The board feels solid on the water, which can boost your confidence when exploring waves or choppy areas. Its upgraded adjustable paddle is lightweight and easy to use, helping you paddle more efficiently without tiring your arms. The detachable fin fits universal fin boxes, making replacements or upgrades simple if you want to customize your setup later. Durability is one of Atoll's strongest points. The board is 50% stronger than many competitors, which makes it an excellent choice for riders who plan to use it often or in more demanding conditions. It's a reliable option for touring, exploring, or exercising on the water. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Feath R-Lite 1. Feath R-Lite focuses on minimalism and simplicity, offering a board that feels intuitive from the first moment you stand on it. Measuring 10 feet 6 inches by 33 inches, it strikes a great balance between lightweight construction and durable performance. It's perfect for adults and younger riders who want reliability without extra bulk. With thoughtful design and reinforced materials, this board handles well in a variety of conditions. The 3-fin setup improves balance and steering, helping you glide smoothly whether you're exploring a quiet lake or paddling along the coast. The full accessory kit is another highlight. You receive a paddle, removable fins, a safety leash, pump, backpack, waterproof phone bag, and repair kit. This means you're ready to jump into the water immediately without needing to buy anything extra. Feath R-Lite aims to give you a clean, enjoyable experience. With its minimalistic style and comfortable deck, it's ideal for people who appreciate quality gear without unnecessary complexity. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Niphean Dream Space. The Niphean Dream Space is built for stability, comfort, and versatility. Measuring 10 feet by 33 inches, it offers a spacious deck with an EVA pad that's comfortable enough for yoga, longer rides, or activities with pets or kids. The rectangular large fin enhances stability even further, helping the board glide smoothly through different water environments. Niphean includes 9 D-rings for accessories, making the Dream Space ideal for people who want to customize their setup. Whether you're attaching a kayak seat, shoulder strap, cooler, or camera mount, you can tailor the board to your preferred activities. Its versatility shines in its use across lakes, rivers, and ocean environments. It is perfect for exploring, fitness sessions, or long days outdoors. 3 handles make transportation easier, whether carrying alone or with help. With its premium materials and strong construction, the Dream Space becomes a durable and dependable choice. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Feath R Lite 2. The Feather Lite 2 takes everything that works in the original design and expands it with an 11-foot length that improves glide and speed. This longer profile is great for touring, fitness paddling, or riders who want a smoother, straighter ride across open water. Despite its size, the board remains lightweight and easy to carry. The durable materials ensure longevity without adding unnecessary weight, making it perfect for adults and youth who want an accessible board that handles various activities. The 3-fin system enhances maneuverability and helps you stay balanced even in choppier conditions. This is ideal for riders who want to explore different environments or push their skills further. Like the first Feath R Lite board, it comes with a full set of accessories to get you on the water immediately. From the paddle to the waterproof phone bag, every detail is included, so you can enjoy your time outdoors without preparation stress. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Upwell. Upwell deserves a spot in this video thanks to its strong design, high stability, and incredibly complete accessory kit. Measuring 11 feet 2 inches by 33 inches, it offers plenty of space for beginners, families, and experienced riders alike. With a weight capacity of 450 pounds, it is built for adventure and can handle multiple riders comfortably. The military-grade PVC construction makes the board tough, lightweight, and long-lasting. The non-slip EVA deck is soft under your feet but firm enough to help you stay balanced during long rides. Whether you're touring, practicing yoga, fishing, or surfing small waves, the Upwell feels stable and enjoyable. One of its biggest strengths is the accessory package. You get a paddle, a kayak seat, removable fins, ankle leash, pump, waterproof bags, backpack, repair kit, shoulder strap, and more. It feels like an all-in-one outdoor kit ready for any adventure you have in mind. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best inflatable paddleboards you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.